So dear students, in our last section we have seen how we what is the procedure to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Now we will see the example. We are having this particular example. This is of which this is infix. Now what we have to do? We have to convert this expression to postfix expression. So for that we will start from the first letter. है ना? We will go by left to right. So first is what? A. A is nothing but operand. So we have seen there are three sections: input, stack and output. According to that we will build the postfix expression. So the first element is A. A is nothing but what? Operand. So as per our rule, operand will be directly moved to output. So next is this particular operator. Now as this is operator, it will be moved to where? Stack. So the output will be again A. Now what is next? Next is the opening parenthesis. As it is the opening parenthesis, according to rules of expression, it will be moved to stack, and again the output is what? A. Next is what? Next is again the operand, that is nothing but B. Now as it is operand B, where it will be moved? To the output, that is A, B. But stack will be remain same. Now next is again what? It is the multiplication operator. As it is the operator, it will be moved to where? Stack. So our stack becomes this, and output is remaining, that is nothing but A, B. Now next is again what? It is the operator, sorry, operand. So as it is operand, it will be moved to the output. So our output became A, B and C, and our stack is having these two particular operators. Now next is what? Next is the subtraction operator. But according to our rule, whenever any particular operator is coming to stack, we will check the priority. Now priority of multiplication is higher and priority of subtraction is lower. So this multiplication operator will be moved to our output, that is A, B, C and star. And this subtraction will be moved over here because multiplication is having higher priority than the subtraction. So our output becomes A, B, C multiplication operator, and stack becomes the addition subtraction with the opening parenthesis. Now next is again what? Next is the opening parenthesis. Now as it is opening parenthesis, where it will be moved? It will be moved to again the stack. Next is what? Next is again the operand. As it is operand, what we will do? We will move it to the particular output. That is nothing but our output becomes A, B, C into D. Now next is what? Next is the division operand. So as it is the division operand, we will move it operator. We will move it to the particular stack, and our output is becoming same A, B, C into D. Next is E. E is what? E is operand. So it will be moved to the output, and our output becomes A, B, C into D, E. And the stack will remain same. Now next is what? Next is again the particular operator. So what we will do? This is what? Next is this particular operator. So as we are having already division operator here, and division operator is having the highest priority, so in the stack the division operator will be removed by the subtraction, and our stack becomes what? Our stack becomes A, B, C into D, E slash. Next is what? Next is F. F is what? F is again the operand. So our stack becomes A, B, C into D, E slash f. Now the next one is the closing parenthesis. So as it is closing parenthesis, according to rule, whatever operator we are having, that will be moved to the output. So as it is the closing parenthesis, we will have a b c into d e slash f minus. Now next is what? Next is the multiplication operator. As already the expression is having one operator in the output, the multiplication operator will be moved to stack, because we are doing the postfix expression and already one operator is present over here. So the multiplication operator is moved to the particular stack and our output becomes same. Now we have taken what? This star. Now next is what? G. G is what? G is nothing but the operand. So G is nothing but the operand. So our stack will be as it is. It will be moved to this. That becomes A, B, C into D, E slash F minus this G. Now next is what? Next is closing parenthesis. When we are having closing parenthesis, whatever operators we are having, that will be moved to the output. So it becomes ABC into DE slash F minus G star minus. Now after closing, what is next? That is nothing but this, that multiplication operator. So multiplication operator is there. So it is moved in the particular stack. This is stack and this is output. So as we have moved over here, the expression is same, slash f minus g star minus. Next is what? H. H is the operator. So what we will do? We will move this h to this. Now this is the end of your expression. When your expression ends, whatever you are having in your stack, that will be moved over here and your stack becomes empty. So this is the postfix expression which we have converted from infix, that is ABC into DE slash F minus G star minus H into, that is addition. This is nothing but infix to postfix. Thank you.